Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm going to start pulling out some fall decor. But before I do, I'm going to share with you an area I never show on YouTube. In the shed, we did a little work as far as organizing this summer. Dee built me this loft shelf up here to store all of my summer cushions, and we organized things just a little bit better over here in the corner, and I know it still looks a mess. We have all of our garden tools, then we have the mowers, spreaders, power washer, over here painting, and some yard supplies. Okay, random tools, not so organized. But here, I want to show you, I put up some new shelving to organize all of my decor. So here I have Easter, fall. On this rack, I have all of our summer stuff that will come back in. Over here in this corner is all Christmas. And those are those reindeer I was telling you about, all Christmas, stacked to the ceiling. This is where I used to store all of my summer cushions, but Dee built me the loft shelf, so all of that stuff will go over here. And then on this last shelving system, I have barbecue and pool at the bottom. So that is how I somewhat organized it. And it may not look the best to you, but believe me when I tell you, this is much better than it was before. So I'm gonna start getting some of my fall decor out right now. I would be positively lost without this little garden cart that I purchased on Amazon. I use it for everything, and it is so sturdy. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. Today we are continuing on with the Bling on the Fall Vlogust collab hosted by the Home Decor LUXE Club. Links to all of the host channels will be in my description box below, as well as a link to the playlist. So please stop by and show my sisters some love. Okay, so I tried to bring a little organization here. These are some fall linens. And then I have my collections of pumpkins, starting with wood. We have glass, gold. We have our set of black and gray pumpkins. Then these are all orange fabric pumpkins. Orange molded pumpkins, and then I have a bunch of those smaller pumpkins and gourds. Here I have all of my brown and bronze pumpkins, and just a couple of these smaller purple ones inside. Here I have my collection of white pumpkins. These are all of the, well, and I probably have another bin inside that I didn't unpack, but these are most of my fall leaf garlands and florals for fall, including the ones that I got yesterday. A couple of little DIY supplies that I found mixed in. Then here I have my purple collection of pumpkins and my DIY acorns that I made last year, and those are super cute. Here I have a couple of glasses for a Halloween tablescape. Some more of the white. These are glass. I believe I got these, or ceramic. I believe I got them from the Dollar Tree. My ceramic bowl with just a couple of little odds and ends. So there is my unboxing for fall. And yeah, I hope it gives you inspiration to get organized. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.